You won't believe this simple trick to factorize quadratics. So this trick works when a is not 1, so when we have something like a 2x squared. And I'm going to write up a quadratic, and then I'm going to show the steps. So we will start how we normally would, and we'll times the a with the c value, knowing that this is ax squared plus bx plus c. So a times c, that's going to equal 40. And then I need to find a number, m times n, that times to get 40, but m plus n has to equal b, which equals minus 13. So let's find factors. So there's 1 and 40, there's 2 and 20, there's 4 and 10. You can also go 5 and 8, and there we go. 5 and 8 adds up to 13. So if I just had negative 5 and 8, we have our m and n. With that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide these two numbers by our a coefficient, which is in this case is 2, so I'll get negative 5 over 2 and negative 8 over 2, which is just negative 4. I will now grab these two numbers and I will put them here. So we have x minus 5 over 2, lots of x minus 4. And then the last step is to put the a coefficient at the front. And we're done. There's no complicated process to factorize and then shift it around to get this. We've done it pretty much in one go. And if you know your factors a little bit better, this process will become a whole lot faster. And if you don't like this fraction here for whatever reason, you can always times inside to get 2x minus 5, lots of x minus 4. Okay, so let's try another example. 2x squared plus 4x plus 2. So a times c is 4. So factors of 4 that add up to 4, that's going to be 2 and 2. I now need to halve both of these because the a value is 2. So 2 over 2 is going to be 1. So I'm going to have 1 in both brackets. So I can just say it's x plus 1 squared and then put the a value at the front. And I'm done. So let's try one more. I have 2x squared minus 32. Our b value is now 0. So something that adds up to 0 but times together to get what? So 2 times negative 32 is going to be negative 64. So I can say negative 8 and 8. They add up together to get 0 and times together to get negative 64. Divide both of those by 2. So negative 8 over 2 and 8 over 2. This will give me 4. So I'll get x minus 4 and x plus 4. And then I put a 2 at the front. So that's all the time that I have for today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below or contact me on social media, and I will see you in the next video.